video contains awesome life hack selections about how to use a hot glue gun for making cool crafts. Let's make a charming little chick to start with. We'll need 2 pom-poms of different size. We showed a few ways of how to make these fluffy little balls in one of our previous tutorials. Hot glue the pom-poms. Wonderful! The body is ready. Now, make a beak. Drop a little hot glue onto a metal base. A spoon or fork handle will do. Let the glue flow down to form a beak shape. When cool, continue shaping it with your fingers. You can touch the hot gun nozzle to make it smooth. Remove the detail from the spoon. Trim the edge. Make another of the same detail to get the lower beak. Make it smaller. Heat a needle over the gun nozzle. Prick the upper beak to make nostrils. Hot glue both parts. Paint the beak with nail polishes. Done! Make hot glue eyes. One, then the other. Cover the eyes with black nail polish. Hot glue the details to the chick's head. Attach the beak. It looks like a real one. Add the eyes. To make the job easier, hold them with tweezers. What a lovely little chick! If you fasten a carabiner, you can put it on your backpack to wear as a cute keychain. You can make pretty round embellishments to decorate the interior articles. We'll need parchment paper. Take a small piece. Carefully pour the hot glue to shape bead halves. They will look like clear buttons lying on the paper. Cover the whole paper. Prepare a number of nail polishes of different colors. Make sure the glue is hardened and cover the drops in a rainbow of colors. Don't be afraid to put the polish on the paper. These vivid embellishments will help make a smart design item out of a blank mirror. You can use them to decorate vases and different containers. You can use the hot glue gun to help create a cool 3D text effect. Take thick cardstock and foil. Wrap the foil around the cardstock. Smear it with fatty cream. Take the hot glue gun. Don't pull the trigger. Distribute the glue directly with the glue stick. Hold the handle in one hand and push the glue stick with the other. Thus, the glue flow won't stop. It's a more convenient way than writing or drawing with the glue. Write any words or outline any images you want. Wait until hardened. Remove the words. Perfect! It's just what we wanted. You can paint them in different colors and use in scrapbooking. Embellish envelopes, for example. Oh, lovely! It's sometimes difficult to find the right place for the glue gun to keep it at hand, but there's a clever little trick to make it easy. Take a big binder clip and put it in the gun nozzle.